Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M5s and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find almost at the very bottom, to find the additional settings. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. And fortunately in this device, changing the language is easy because all you have to do is to simply tap on the one you'd like to set. So let me pick this one. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied. So from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. But let me change it again to the English because I'm not really good in this one. So let me tap on English. And as you can see again, it has been immediately applied. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your POCO M5s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.